grow up to be Rastafari, Seppi?
I go amongst the elders, the old Rastafari. And I sit like a little boy and I hear fox. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I put fox in my head, man. That's the way we start. Listen to truth. When we gather more knowledge, we sit and reason and ask question and yeah. We ask how we come here, what's happened, you know? No.
How did we come here?
We come here, take away. In captive. About 500 years on that now. You see that too? And you make research for your own self, you know, to gather knowledge.
Yes.
And you give research, take research, slow down some time and learn. Yeah. That's it.
Yeah, I try to bring back the knowledge so people can hear.
That's right.
Because not everybody can come.
But if you bring back the knowledge, it's like you're going to rehearse what happened. Some people don't love that.
Yeah. That's why I just ask you, we don't rehearse.
Yeah, you have to just reason to how they gave you reason, but you can't just relate what happened. Things that they put down long time.
Yeah.
You take it up and throw back from it. Some people don't like that.
Yeah, yeah.
And I don't like that neither. Because it's not what you start with, so I can give you where you don't start with. You put on old war a long time ago, you know, and I can't bring it up. All the old happenings. Come with new reality now. Shine Rasta.
Red fire.
Highly high.